If you love luxury but still want value, you might need to think twice before visiting these countries. Buckle up, travel enthusiasts, because we're about to explore the lavish lands where your dollar stretches the least. Topping our list is Switzerland, a stunning alpine country known not just for its scenic landscapes but also for its staggering living costs. A family of 4 might spend over 7,000 Swiss francs a month just to get by. But it's not just Switzerland that'll test the thickness of your wallet. Norway, with its majestic fjords, and Iceland, the land of fire and ice, also demand a premium for their breathtaking beauty and high-quality life. Looking further east, Japan combines high-tech with high costs, especially when it comes to housing and dining. From the vibrant streets of Copenhagen in Denmark to the sunny shores of the Bahamas, each of these destinations offers unique experiences. But remember, they come with a price tag to match. So, while these countries boast great infrastructure and high wages, they're definitely more of a splurge than a save. Before you pack your bags for these pricey destinations, make sure your budget is ready to handle the adventure of a lifetime.